Good day. This AI mathematics, that is Akinola do and not artificial intelligence. So uh we were solving questions that day, but we could not finish it. We want to continue where we stop. If you wrote down the questions, you will see that this one is one of the questions. So now, given that log 2 base 10 equals 0.3010, log 3 base 10 equal to 0.4771, and log 5 base 10 equals to 0.6990. And the first thing we have to find there is log 6 base 10. Log 6, log 6 base 10. This kind of question, like they like it. So this one is very simple question. But what you need to do when you see this kind of question, you are going to simplify, manipulate, so that log 2 base 10 or log 3 base 10 or log 5 base 10 will come out here or in any other question given to you. For instance, remembering all the rules of logarithm with that table. This is just like we have log log 3 times 2 base 10. And don't forget that when you have multiplication, is same as a log 3 base 10 plus log 2 base 10. You can see that it's direct question. Log 3 came out, log 2 came out. So just add the two. Log 3 is 0.4771 plus log 2 is what? 0.310. When you add the two, that's your answer. That's 0.4771 plus 0.3010. The answer is 0.7781. I think another question on that list is mm, log 72 base 10. Log 72 base 10. Log 72 base 10. You have to simplify this also. You don't need to follow anybody, just be you. This is just like we have log 36 times 2. And this is just like we have log 6 times 6 times 2. And this is the same as, because 36 is 36 and log is 2 times 3. This also is 2 2 times 3. 6 here is 2 times 3. This 6 is 2 times 3, and we have 2 here. So that is we have how many 2? 2, 2, 2. We have log 2 raised power 3 times 3 raised power 2. Raised power 2. No is 1, 2, 3. Now, because of times, it could be log 2 raised power 3 base 10 base 10 base 10 base 10 base 10 plus log 3 raised power 2 base 10. You can see from the law, when you have power like this one will come in form. That will not be 2 log, 3, because we have this part here. 3 log 2 base 10 plus 2 log 3 base 10. You know, 3 now. Log 2 base 10 is 0.310 plus 2 times log 3 is 0.4771. Then we have 3 multiplied by 0.3010. That's 0.903. This one is 2 times 0.4771. That is plus 0.9542. Everything together. That's 1.8572. That's the answer. That is the answer. Another one here is log 35, log 35, log 35 minus log 17.5. Log 35 is 10 minus log 17.5 is 10. That's another one there. Then when you see a question, don't be panic. Just calm down and look for a way what you can do. And there's no way uh, the solution will come out. Solution will generally come out. So let me clean this side. You can see that 35 is 7 multiplied by 3. That is a log 7 times 5, rather, is 10. And this one minus log, change one to fraction. That would be, if you follow me, see that 17, 175 over 10. And 2 here, 2. 5 here, 2. 5 is 17, that is 3. 5 is 17, the 3 remain 2. In 25, 5. 5. Which means log 7 times 5 is 10 minus log 35 over 2 base 10. Now, you can see that, let's just keep this one and try to find a solution to this one first, because you can see that something has to do with this one. There will be log, let's say log, let's bring it back, 35 is 10. This will be minus, minus consign these ones together. That will now be log 35 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Log 2 base 10. Now you can see now that log 35 base 10, this one will be minus log 35 base 10 plus log 2 base 10. You can see that this one count this, which means we just only have 0.3010 because this is just log 2 base 10 that we have there. Then another one there is log half base 10, log 1 over 2 base 10. That is just simple. Log 1 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Log 1 to any base is 0. Log 1 to any base is 0. Even if you have log 1 base 20, the answer will be 0. Log 1 base 100 will be 0. Log 1 base million will also be 0, which means one will be 0 minus log 2 base 10. That is a minus 0.3010. That's it. Then, another question. You know when you're solving question, you may not even know, but when you are going, you know where to you are heading to. If log 2x minus 1 is 10 minus log 3x minus 2 is 10 equal to 1. Find x. Find x. We are asked to find x. Find x. Find x. This one, what you need to do is simple thing. You know, this minus in between this this one, this another one, and we have negative between the two values. So what we need to do is that bring them together. That will now be log of minus 2x minus 1 over 3x minus 2 base 10 equal to 1. Then this log form, convert it to index form. If you remember, to convert this log form to index form, you have this here. That will be 2x minus 1 over 3x minus 2 equal to 10 raised power 1. That's 10. That's the 2x minus 1 equal to 10 over 3x minus 2. But because of this, we cross multiply. This times everything here, this times everything here. So we have 2x times, that's 2x minus 1 equal to 10 3x minus 2. That's 2x minus 1 equal to 10 times 3, 30x minus 20. We rearrange. We bring the like times together. You know this x, this connect x, this contain x. This one we bring this one here, this one here. You know, 2x. You know this one is plus a. When it crosses equality sign, it becomes minus 30x. This one remain the value, but this is minus 1. When it comes, it becomes plus 1 because it's negative a. And any value that crosses equality sign, the sign will change. 2x minus 30x now give us uh, minus 28x equal to what? That's minus 19. Our x will now be equal to minus 19 over minus 28. Our x is equal to 19 over 28. 19 over 28. 19 over 28. Now, another question, we have log x squared plus 4 base 10 equal to 2 plus log s base 10 minus log 20 base 10. Find x also. Find x also. Find x also. This one, remain alone here. Leave it there. And this one, you have to do something to uh, this side. I do something to this side. So log x squared plus 4 base 10 equal to 2. That 2, no, we are using base 10. We are using base 10, which means this 2, if you want to do it like this, is what? 100. Because 10 times 10 is 100, or 10 to the power 2, which means you have log 100 base 10 plus log x base 10 minus log 20 base 10. Uh, we can still do something here. You know, we have plus here. We can bring it together. Log x squared plus 4 base 10 equal to log 100 times x base 10. We are bring this one together like this. So minus log 20 base 10. That is log x squared plus 4 base 10 equal to log 100 x base 10 minus log 20 base 10. Now, we can still bring this one together. That's log x squared plus 4 base 10 equal to log 100x over 20 base 10. Base 10. You know, this count this. So I need 5. That's log x squared plus 4 base 10 is equal to log 5x base 10. Log 5x base 10. Log 5x base 10. It means that This log 10 will cancel each other. We have x squared plus 4 equal to 5x. Equal to 5x. We have equal to 5x. That will now be x squared. We take this one here, it has become quadratic equation plus 4 equal to 0. If you have conversant with a quadratic equation, you see that factor of 4, that when you multiply that will give you positive 4, and everything will give you negative 5. So it just be 4 times 1. You know, 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4, which is correct, positive. 4 plus 1 will give you 5, but we need negative. In that sense, just put minus minus. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give you 5. Minus 4 minus 1 will give you minus 5, which means this is what we are going to use for the factors. We have x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. What's common here? X. What remain? X. What common? 4. What common here? Minus 1. S minus 4 equal to 0. S minus 1 and s minus 4 equal to 0. S is equal to 1 or s is equal to 4. That's the answer. That is the answer. That's the answer. So let's solve uh let's solve one or two questions more. We cannot solve all the questions in a class. Four log n base 5 minus log n base 5 equal to 1. That is equation 1. Equation 1. That's equation 1. So another one, that's 5 log n base 5 plus 3 log n base 5 equal to 14. That's equation 2. We are asked to find the value of m and n. The value of m and n. So what to do is this. We have 4 log n base 5 minus log n base 5 equal to 1. And we have 5 log n base. You can see this is a simultaneous equation. And there's no way you cannot just apply the logarithm rules like that. You have to do something. You know, let log n base 5 be equal to a, and log m base 5 be equal to b. Which means here now we have 4. What's log m base 5? Log m base 5 is a minus log m base 5 is what? B. That's b equal to 1. That's equation 1. This one will be 5a plus 3b equal to 14. That's equation 2. Now, to cancel this one now, to cancel this, you multiply this one by 3 and one by 1, which means this one by 3, equation 1 by 3, equation 2 by 1. 3 times 4a, that will be 12a minus 3b equal to 3. And this one by 1, that's 5a plus 3b equal to 14. This is equation 3 and equation 4. Add equation 3 plus equation 4, add it together. So, 12a plus 5, that's 17a. This one give us 0 plus equal to 17. A is equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, what will be our b? Substitute the value. Substitute 1 for a in equation 1. Equation 1. Instead of a, we put 1, which means let's do equation 1. That will be 4 times 1, and that's 4 minus b equal to 1. That is minus b equal to 1 minus 4. That's minus b equal to minus 3. B is equal to what? That's 3. So we are able to get our a and b to be equal to 3. But don't forget that log n base 5 is equal to a. And what's value of a? A is 1. A is 1, which means convert this one to this. This one, our n will be equal to 5 raised to power 1, which is what? 5. Then we also have log m base 5 is equal to b. Our b is 3, which means m will be equal to 5 raised to power 3, which means our answer will be n is equal to 5 and m is equal to 125. That's the answer. Thanks for watching me. Like me and share me.